detected. Ultimatrix resetting. Link to Primus re-established. All functions available. Ultimatrix power depleted. Entering recharge mode. Uncatalogued DNA detected. Alien DNA scanned and recognized. Insufficient power for this operation.